This is a Vevor 15 by 15 inch 8-in-1 swing-away heat press. It is commonly available for purchase in the United States online at Amazon.com or eBay. The heat press company, Vevor, has a website in English at seehow.uk. Their German, French, Spanish, and Italian websites are at Vevor. The corresponding country domain code. For example, their Spanish site would be Vevor.es. They appear to sell other related items like screen printing stations, engravers, and cutters, as well as other manufactured items like cotton candy machines, ultrasonic cleaners, milking machines, and meat slicers for cutting massive beef. On their website, the 15 by 15 model retails for $325. In the United States, the price fluctuates pre-tax with free shipping between $190 and $270, depending on the reseller. Mine got to me in a few days, as it was shipped from a warehouse here in the United States. The box wasn't beaten up, and the inside foam held up pretty well. It was well packed. On top, we have the instructions. The manual has an introduction, list of features, and technical parameters. This multifunction press includes a 12-ounce latte mug, a 17-ounce latte mug, a 6-ounce coffee mug, an 11-ounce coffee mug, a 6x3 hat and cap press, a 6-inch plate press, and a 5-inch plate press. This is the cradle for the mug presses. Also included is the digital LED temperature and time controller. Additionally, it includes a 110-volt power cord, 4 swivel adjustable feet, a wrench, and the detached handle for the pressure regulator. The screws are meant just to slide into the holes on the cradle. I couldn't get them to align. My mug press has a bent screw, so I used a Phillips head screwdriver to screw the mug press into the cradle. The 15 by 15 plate is attached to a metal base, but the housing that hosts the feet is plastic. The swing out arm swings 360 degrees. I didn't swing it all the way here because I have it sitting on the box that it was shipped in and I didn't want it to tip over. It's probably a good idea if you don't have it on a long table, if you have it on like a narrow cart, that you strap or C-clamp the base down to the table. The base slides in and out for easier access. A Teflon sheet protects the top plate from sticking. It also includes one silicone pad and one cotton pad, both removable. You can install the handle for the pressure regulator just by hand tightening. To get it really tightened, you will need a hex key. I used size 532. If you don't have a toolkit, you might have one lying around if you ever have assembled an office chair. I had difficulty attaching the feet. The screws would not thread. The holes were not clear, and I had to use a screwdriver to chip away the plastic on the inside and outside of the hole. You will need a firm hand to push in to get the screw to grab the thread. I also used a wrench to help it along, size 7/16. This wasn't the provided wrench, which is for the bigger bolts attached to the springs on top of the press plate. The digital LED controller has a built-in fuse, so if there are any power irregularities, it will cut the power to the system. You connect the base to the controller and it simply slides onto the pole. Attach the power cord to the machine. Although the instructions don't demand it, I'm going to be powering the press directly from the wall outlet. And with a flick of a switch, you're ready to get started. In the next video, I'm going to practice with some regular ink and heat transfer papers before I move on to the much more expensive sublimation inks.